Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we playing Piggy.
Hey guys, we're back on the thing. Oh my god! Guys, that's why I'm still jumping.
Guys, you need to win. Do the wrench.
Come up here. Come get the blue key, guys. Guys, don't you need the blue key? Guys, you didn't open up the blue key thing anything. Okay. No!
Oh, you want it?
Did anybody just call me a stupid pig? I'm a thick pig, not a stupid pig. You're a stupid pig.
Ugly, not thick.
Wait! You just called me not thick?
Yeah.
I want some
bacon. Can I get some bacon, ma'am?
Yes. Yeah, come and get some.
No.
Can you just drop it off, please?
Rip off some of your skin real quick.
Can you just drop it off, please? Thank you.
No, you're not killing me today. I will survive. Don't do it. Don't sing it.
Social distancing. Just drop the bacon off, please.
Strip it. That sounds so wrong.
I'm not even gonna film it.
Hey guys! Guys, where's the fat ugly pig? Guys, we have 2 minutes.
2 minutes to escape, guys. We just need to go.
We did it!
I know.
Taunt, 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 taunt. You know what? I'm gonna get the gun.
You know what? I'm going to take you.
Oh, really? Because I said I'm gonna get the gun.
Wait. Brooklyn, kill me. I want to kill that.
Whoa, Sydney!
Woohoo! Who is this?
Why'd you say it like that? Woohoo!
Perfect. Now you're gonna have to shoot 2 of us.
Yeah, I got 2 bullets. Sydney's like, oh, Neptune. Sydney was like, oh, Sydney's like, oh,
Come on,
Neptune.
Sydney, we gotta run. I died. I died on purpose. Brandon, you wanna come get some bacon?
No.
Brandon, you wanna pet a pet?
Hey guys, look at me. Yoink, yoink.
Brandon, you wanna pet pig?
Nice try, Buster.
Wait, where'd Naima go? You do want to escape, right?
Yeah, I just escaped.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Talia. Oh, I don't know where Ava went. Talia is hiding. You died from Foxy? I'm not telling you guys where Talia is.
I know where she is. She's at the door. Go get her. Just stay at the door for me. Talia! Got her! Go to the door now!
Yeah, where's Talia?
I told you to go to the front.
Cut her off! Cut her off!
I told you to go to the door!
Welcome, Talia. Welcome, Naiva.
I hit you already, didn't I? Yes, I did.
Welcome, Naiva. Welcome, Talia. I have been here for years.
Oh my god, I have 400! Oh my god!
Why are you so happy?
Because nobody need me right now.
Who's that?
I want to be thinking. I'm Braylon. I only need 2 more.
Guys, if it's traitor,
Braylon, should I get Zizzy or Robbie?
I don't care.
Oh yeah, guys, next round is gonna be traitor, okay?
Nobody can see each other's screens. Hi, Sydney.
Let's do.
Look, I have my potato head.
Braylon, I can't see you.
Brooklyn, don't play silly.
Oh, I just see you. I can't see you.
It's more. Guys, next round, do you guys want to go in order?
Alright, traitor, guys. I can't see.
Guys, when it's traitor, we can't speak at all.
Yes, we cannot speak at all, guys. So, okay, guys, it's going to be very, very quiet, so don't worry about that.
Yeah, guys.
Okay, everybody quiet. We can't like give any hints.
Alright, guys. Alright. Okay, now.
Alright, guys. Nobody can talk.
3, 2, 1.
One.
I'm scared.
No talking.
I'm so scared. Like,
Fine, we can talk. You guys know there's also guys. We can talk. Do you guys also know there's a Piggy?
I feel like it's brave.
Yo, can somebody get the red key?
I got the
Where is it?
I need red key, and we don't need that right now, Sydney. We need the
I
plank.
don't care.
We need the plank.
I did not ask.
Sydney,
Braylon.
stop it, or Piggy
Lilac.
will kill us.
Lila is here.
You know what? Since I don't need it, I'm gonna pick up some bullets.
Nice.
Ava, don't go in the vent.
Well, somebody's gonna need to get it. Wait,
Ah, Robbie! Oh my God, Ava, run!
I'm going back downstairs.
Go downstairs, guys.
I don't like this.
The Piggy's up there. Quit.
I feel like Brooklyn's the killer. Brooklyn,
I'm scared.
move your screen a bit.
Well, nobody gets their knife until 9 minutes.
Dead.
So Brooklyn's not the traitor.
Yes, I'm
I got
not
the
a
red key.
traitor.
I think it's Talia. I
And
think it's Talia.
I think it's
She followed me. She followed me. Yo, Talia. Yo, y'all be real. Yo,
I think it might be Ava.
I feel like it's
Yourself
Sydney.
killed, okay?
Wait,
Ava,
who
get
is it?
yourself killed, please.
Man, you scared me.
I don't want to be alone.
Oh my gosh.
Lila!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get away.
I'm scared. I'm actually
Oh,
really
Italians
scared. I
run.
don't know why.
Running.
Because it's traitor.
Are you following me?
Run!
I feel like Naive is the killer now. I can't trust her anymore.
Okay, Sydney is not the killer.
I'm scared.
Braylon, are you the traitor?
Oh no.
Well, Braylon, I can know now.
Scared girl. I can trust
Oh my God.
girl.
Guys, get away. No.
Who was it?
I died.
Was it Bob?
Lila's definitely not the traitor.
Yeah.
Lila's not the traitor.
I have a great feeling that it's Naive or Sydney for some reason.
Yeah, it's probably Sydney. Sydney, you look suspicious.
Yeah, no, I feel like it's Naiva. Why is she always following people?
Yeah.
I look suspicious, Naima.
Plus, Ava got me killed.
Ava could have.
Kill me.
Now I'm feeling like it's Talia.
Oh yeah, it's not Ava.
I'm
So she
trying
can
to
like.
Talia now because
No, the traitor can still grab stuff.
I actually think it's
I know, it's OP. Sydney, they need
It's a gun.
So Talia's not the killer.
Ava,
It's
why don't you use the gun?
it's Naive or Sydney.
It's not evil.
It's Sydney. It's Sydney. It's Sydney.
It's not me. I just weird.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Ava, get that.
I can
Get
literally
that
show
gun and
my
kill
Oh my
Sydney.
God, it's Ava!
It's Ava. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Run! Sydney, run!
I knew it was probably Ava or Sydney. I knew it.
What do you mean you? It's you.
I knew it was Ava or
Stop!
Sydney.
Wait, shoot Ava!
Get the gun and shoot Ava.
There's bullets up there!
Lila!
Where's the purple key?
Go downstairs, it's already open!
Yeah, Ava opened it.
It is.
Yeah.
That's why Ava didn't want to grab it.
But if she grabbed it, nobody would be able to kill her, except for Piggy.
I got it.
Alright, go upstairs, upstairs.
Oh my God, Ava, you killed your own sister. Wow.
You know?
Wow.
Leave me
Full-
alone, Ava.
Get that, get that. Come on,
She's
kill her.
downstairs! Get her!
Get her, get her, get her.
Try. Ava, blank.
Yes!
Oh no. Get away from
Alright, you gotta keep running.
The traitor has been stopped.
Yay!
Naiva! You killed! Naiva only got one kill. Trash. I want to do traitor again. That was fun.
Yeah, alright.
Blank? Yeah, but we can't. It has to be infected. Can
I'm
we
just
do
gonna sit like
infection?
this so I can't see.
Let's do infection on what? Can you see mine? Or I need to move it. Let's do infection on what kind of?
Or if it's trainer, we're doing trainer.
It can't be. It's like traitor and then infection and traitor again.
Oh yeah.
I think traitors after every other game. Oh yeah, guys, we were gonna do it in order.
Alright guys, so big house. Guys, we're gonna do them all in order.
Whatever.
We're gonna do it in order.
We have to do bot this round.
Yeah, we have to do it in order.
Yes, we have to do bot this house, guys.
And when Traitor comes, we'll do Traitor, and then we'll just do that map again.
Yeah.
How do y'all feel about that?
Like the infection.
Some people. Sydney picked infection, by the way. Why do you do infection on a house? It's such a small map.
Exactly. That's why I don't.
I know, but like you can just stay on the tunnel. No, like I found the small map.
I know, but the Traitor can still crouch.
I'm sleeping.
We're not doing traitor.
I
Tell me
know.
when you guys
I'm
open
talking
the door.
about Winnie Street.
Guys, tell me when you guys
You
open
know
the
what?
door.
We're gonna win
Wait,
this
I'm
because
gonna-
I'm on the team.
Guys,
Yes,
tell me when you
right.
guys,
That's right. Sydney's like OP. Sydney's OP. Guys, I got the plank.
Yeah, I'm so OP.
Sydney's
I
like
do every single
Sy-
map solo.
when Sydney's YouTube channel actually gets popular, she gonna be like doing only Piggy videos.
Alright, guys,
There's a
Piggy's
hammer in the
almost
brain room.
awake.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yes, take it. I'm in first person because I'm that serious and that good at this. Get away from me.
Right? I'm doing the tunnel.
The bot just fell.
Ooh, I found the wrench.
I found nothing so far. Wait, no, I found the right
Are
key
you opening the tunnel?
because the problem is new one. So
Okay, Braylon, open this.
Guys, we need the purple key.
me and Braylon are
Oh, I'm already where the purple key is. But
Oh no.
guys,
No,
where's the
scary.
green? Anybody have a blue key?
No.
This problem is alone.
Fat.
I have the orange key.
Nothing's behind the land
Hey, but
lasers.
it's not even a shotgun. It's a freaking pistol.
Braylon.
Yeah?
I remember you couldn't even fit through the tunnel because you were so fat.
Alright, guys, I just opened up the orange key, please.
Orange key? Alright, I'll make my way down
Orange
there.
key?
Yeah.
Okay, since the bot wouldn't leave me alone, I'm just about to unlock
Whoa! Lila almost died.
I got the yellow.
I got the
Where's
blue
the
key
door?
because I'm OP.
I'm gonna see if there's anything else up there. Somebody died, by the way.
And that was Italian.
Who died?
Here you go.
That means it's only me and Sydney left.
It's me too.
Of course.
Oh yeah, Brooklyn's here too.
I'm just going to hide in here.
Wait, who dropped the red? Okay, I just put the green gears in because I'm OP like that.
Alright. I think I might know where the red gears are. Because I remember Lila having them. Now I gotta make my way upstairs.
Where does the yellow key go?
Why is Piggy up here?
Try the red one. I am OP.
Wait, what?
Okay,
Alright, now we just need a code.
I got the white key.
Let's hit the yellow.
There.
I'm looking in the basement for it.
Oh God. Blank.
Oh hey Brooklyn. Open it.
Okay, what?
Blank. Stupid.
Open it.
We just need the code.
Alright, I got the code.
Yes, me and Braylon are OP.
Brooklyn's here too. Brooklyn's the one who opened it. Yoink.
I found the gun.
We did it.
Oh, I don't know why I escaped. I should have.
Alright, guys, I got the gun and I'm a really, really good shooter. I'm not kidding.
Brooklyn, did you get ammo?
No! He was coming right after me.
Because you were the last one left, Brooklyn. That's why you died. Brooklyn died.
There! Can we do it again?
No.
Please! 3 people died. 4 people died.
Sydney, we're going to have to do it again. The 4 died. And we were the only ones to escape.
Nobody can die. Everybody has to escape. So we can move on.
Brooklyn
At least,
tried to shoot Piggy and he died.
at least more than 2 people or 1 person have to die. Or,
Okay, station.
guys, we have to do house.
We gotta do house again.
Oh yeah, we have to do house and
Y'all better not die with y'all trash
Our
behinds.
the 4 people that died. At least has to be more people
Traitor.
who survive than die. No, we have to do bot.
and we
Braylon.
can't
Traitor.
anything.
No, we have to do bot.
No, don't. We said whenever we go across traitor, we do it.
And